Many of you have voiced questions in our artist community about how to price your artwork. This video will give you some helpful guidance in figuring out this quandary. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Subscribe to this channel to see even more helpful acrylic painting videos just like this. As you build a painting practice, you will inevitably develop an excellent inventory of finished artworks. So long as you have been following copyright laws, the artwork you have created is yours to sell. If you need to refresh your memory about the rules regarding copyright and selling your artwork, please use the link in the comments below or click the card in the upper corner of this video. Pricing your artwork might feel baffling, but Acrylic Arts Academy can help by offering a few tips. Method number 1 is to use a pricing equation. With this method of pricing, consider the cost of your materials and the time you spent creating an artwork. From there, add the cost of your materials and time together to create a price for your painting. You will need to decide what is a fair hourly wage for yourself, record the amount of time it takes to create a piece, and add the cost of materials. If you're shipping your artwork to a buyer, it can be helpful to add the shipping price to the overall cost so you can offer free shipping to the buyer without losing out on your profit. Using this method, the equation will look something like this. Time in hours times hourly pay. Take that number and add it to the cost of materials as well as shipping. Method number 2 is creating a market price. This pricing method will take a little bit of time on your behalf to conduct some market research. Let's say you have a 16 by 20 inch seascape painting that you want to sell. Pick a website or platform such as Etsy and search for 16 by 20 inch seascape acrylic painting and view the results. You will get a good idea of what people are selling similar artworks for, and a range of prices will likely result. Next, it's time for some honesty. With kindness for yourself, consider your own experience and ability. If you have just started painting, building a clientele using slightly lower prices may be worth it until you develop your skills further. This is not required, but it may help. As with the equation method, adding your shipping costs to the price is helpful if you plan to sell online and ship your art. Method number 3 is the set price method. This method may be easier compared to the rest. Using a set price method implies that you'll charge the same price for your pieces of a specific size, scaling up or down depending on the square inches of your painting surface. For instance, charging one set fee for an 8 by 10 inch painting and another fixed price for a 16 by 20 inch canvas can streamline your sales and avoid confusion. As ever, it's a great option to offer free shipping to your customers while also including the shipping charges within the overall cost of the art piece. These are not the only options for creating a pricing strategy, but they will help you develop your own way of figuring out how to charge an adequate price for your artwork. We hope these tips helped you today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Begin your acrylic painting journey today by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.